This one just blows my mind. And hopefully this will blow your mind too. If you're a realist, if you're in business for yourself. And even if you're working at a company, you're in business for yourself. You are your own business. You don't get paid to enter data into the CRM. You don't get paid to do nonsense. You get paid to close deals. You get paid to help customers. You get paid to achieve your goals and make the revenue for the company so you can take a small, reasonable portion of it for yourself. But according to Zoom Info, the average sales development rep makes 52 calls a day. Okay, what do you guys think? Do you guys think that's an accurate number? 52 calls a day. Do you think the average sales rep? I don't either. I think they're lying. Okay, and I know this because I make 90 phone calls a day and I know just how difficult it is. And I have a daily goal sheet that I print out every day with 90 tick marks in it. And I'll be honest, I haven't hit my 90 number in the last 6 days. Okay, it's not bad, but at least I track it. When I started, my goal was to make 10 calls a day, then 20 calls a day. But there's a big difference between me managing myself on a personal daily goal sheet where I'm keeping myself accountable because I want to improve my life and I want to make a certain amount of money every year, which is a ridiculous amount of money. I know I need to make 90 calls. And when I hear Zoom Info saying the average sales rep is making 52, they're just not doing it.